Hi everyone, this is Zach, your TA for Robot Studio, and I'm just going over how to save your design history so that you can send it to us. So I developed a couple scripts that are basically add-ons for Fusion that you can run to export your design history and your model specifications to CSV files that we can save and use the data. So as you can see, on the bottom of your Fusion screen, you'll see your timeline. So your timeline basically keeps track of every single thing that you've done on this model. Everything from sketches to extrudes and revolves, it's all kept track of in this design history. If you do not see this design history at the bottom, you should see it. So at the bottom right corner there's a gear, and there is an option to switch on your design history or choose not to capture your design history. Make sure you do choose to capture your design history before you get started with your project, or else this method will not work to save your work. So your normal menu is going to be this solids, maybe this surfaces menu that you use to actually assemble and construct your model. However, in order to run scripts and add-ons, you have to go to the utilities menu that's right here, add-ins, and under add-ins you'll see scripts and add-ins. If you click this right here, you'll see your list of your personal scripts. You can see that there are some scripts in there that I've created already, and then also some sample scripts that Fusion gives you. So feel free to play around with this. You can even just try to design some of your robot using scripts. But when you use my script, you will need to press Create Script. Make sure you choose a Python script and add its name as something like capture model details. As soon as you click Create, press Enter, this will show up in your scripts. So you will also need to have VS Code installed on your computer, because when you click on Capture Model Details and Edit, it will pull up VS Code. If you do not have VS Code installed, it will ask you at this point to install VS Code, and it will walk you through that process. Now you can see that VS Code is pulled up with a very simple template of this capture models details.py. In order to use the script that we've developed, you will need to then Control A and Control V in our script that we have made, and then just save it and feel free to exit, and then the script should work. If you go to add-ins, scripts, one more thing to add. In that model description script that you will copy from us, there is one line that I've noted that you need to change. It's a path name. So right now it's directed to the path of my desktop, so you'll see something like ZACHA, that's my computer name, /desktop, /OneDrive, something like that. Just replace that path with the complete path of wherever you want to store this file. This can be a special folder you've created, or even your desktop, whatever works for you. Then to run that script, you just go to add-ins, scripts and add-ins, model description, or whatever you've chosen to name it, and then you'll click run. Then the script will execute, and in this case it won't pop up with anything, but it will save that .csv file to wherever that path was. Alright, thank you so much. Let me know if you have any questions with running this script and if you run into any problems.